We have received that patient's CT data from the surgeons with whom we collaborate. From the CT data, now we are going to start the process of designing an implant. In IIT Madras, a new generation of innovation is taking place to elevate the Indian healthcare to next level. Young engineers and researchers at IIT Madras are reimagining how the body and technology can work together. Here, we are not simply replacing what is lost, we are designing what the body needs next. This is a new approach to cranial reconstruction. We are going to explain how we convert the CT scan data into a patient-specific implant required for additive manufacturing.
We are going to load it into this software and we are going to visualize and segment out the region of interest so that we can do the design of the patient-specific implant.
At the heart of the design is an internal lattice. It is not a solid plate. It is an open lattice.
At this stage, we send this information to the doctor and have a discussion with him whether he is agreeable to this level of correction.
So this is a final design. It looks nice.
Yeah.
So maybe you can send it to doctors.
The lattice mimics the trabecular structure of the natural bone. Tiny interconnected pores allow the body fluids to flow freely through the implant. The nutrients can circulate, new tissue can grow. This permeability is deliberate. It creates the condition for true osseointegration, a stable biological bond between the bone and the implant.
The implant is built by laser powder bed fusion, a metal 3D printing process. In this process, a high precision laser melts biocompatible, lightweight, toughened titanium alloy, titanium 6 aluminum 4 vanadium, layer by layer. Every strut, every pore, every internal feature is controlled at the micro scale. Complex geometries that were once impossible now become routine by 3D printing. Production is faster, the fit is more accurate, surgical time is reduced. It is a new healthcare perspective. Personalized, lightweight, biologically intelligent. Made possible by the meeting of advanced manufacturing and human anatomy. At IIT Madras, the research is moving from the laboratory into the operating theatre. The vision is clear: implants that the body recognizes, that the surgeon can place with confidence, and that the patient can live comfortably. Lightweight, stronger integration, faster return to everyday's life. It belongs to a new standard of care, one that is precise, patient-specific, and made in India for the entire world. Nature's marvelous creation is the skull. It is extremely strong and it protects our brain, but it's also very brittle. Please protect it.